Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve personal savings with Capital One. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Capital One website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name, email address, and social security number. Make sure to create a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you have completed the registration process, log into your new account. Navigate to the Savings Accounts section in the main menu. Explore the different savings account options available to you. Consider the features you need, such as interest rates and monthly fees. Select the savings account that best meets your financial goals. Now, you can open the account by clicking on the Open Account button. Fill in any additional information required, and then submit your application. Once your account is open, transfer funds from your checking or other accounts. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account on a regular basis. Consider setting a specific savings goal to keep you motivated. Track your progress regularly through the Capital One dashboard. Utilize tools like budget trackers and savings calculators offered by Capital One. If you have questions, access customer support for assistance. Finally, review your savings strategy every few months to make necessary adjustments. This simple process can help you enhance your personal savings effectively with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.